Hey guys, welcome back and thank you for tuning in. So today's video, checking this, just received this GoPro. Comes the SD card. I think this is a cleaning cloth. And it's got 50 in one accessories. It's the 50 pieces accessories kit. I think there's a stand here, there's a carrier bag. It's got the headgear, an extra battery, and many other small accessories. So let's open it up and see what's inside.
I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright.
I think this is the guide to the accessories. Yeah, it has a head strap, chest strap, a mini tripod, the helmet strap for bikers, and adhesive pads.
I'll be there when the lights don't shine. I'll be there in the sleepless nights. I'll be there, make you feel alright. I'll be there, I'll be there.
These accessories are, it's a lot. I think it serves whatever type of video you want to record. And this is the camera. Yeah, it's the version 12. It has both 5.3K and 4K video options. I think it has 2 batteries. I hope it does have 2 batteries. I think we need to update it before we use it. This is the battery. And here's the camera. Yeah, this package. This is really nice packaging, and I'm so excited for the videos that I'll be recording from now moving forward. So yeah, keep it logged in this channel. Expect more quality videos, more content, more DIYs, longer videos. Yeah, I think I might put it into use this very day. So yeah, tune in, like this video, subscribe to this channel, share this video, watch the previous videos, and tune in for more videos. Thank you.